Good morning, grade 4. Today is 24th of March 2020, and today you will be learning about mixed number and improper fraction. So before that, let's first define what is improper and mixed number. So a fraction whose number is greater than 1 or equal to its denominator is called improper fraction. If the numerator is bigger than the denominator, then we say that it is an improper fraction. In this example, you will see that 17 is greater than 3. So 17 is bigger than the denominator. So this is considered as a improper fraction. So let's go now to mixed number. A mixed number is a whole number followed a proper fraction. Okay. So one example is 5 and 2/3. So we have 5. 5 is the whole number and 2/3 is the fraction. So 5 and 2/3 is a mixed number. I'm going to show you first how to write improper fraction and mixed number with the use of shapes, okay? And then later, I will tell you how to convert improper fraction to mixed number and mixed number to improper fraction. Okay, let's start with number 1. So number 1, let's write first the improper fraction. In writing the improper fraction, first you need to count the number of shaded parts. So the shaded parts are the one with color yellow. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So there are 10. Each whole is divided into how many parts? So that is 3. So 10/3. You will notice that the numerator is greater than the denominator. So this is an improper fraction. Okay. So we have 10/3. 10/3. 10 shaded parts. One whole is divided into 3 parts. So that is the denominator. Okay, now let's write the mixed number. How do we write the mixed number? First, you're going to identify the whole number. What do we mean by whole number? Whole numbers are the shapes with full colors, okay? Okay, so we have 1 whole, 2, 3. So we have 3 whole numbers or 3 wholes, okay? And then the last circle, there is only 1 part shaded, so that is 1 out of 3, so 3 and 1/3, okay? So this is the mixed number, 3 and 1/3. Okay, now let's go to the second one. Number 2, so it is a square divided into how many parts? 4 parts, okay? Divided into 4 parts. So how many are shaded in all? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 7 is the numerator and 4 is the denominator. So we say 7/4. Okay. Now let's go to the mixed number. How many is whole? Okay. So we have only 1 here. So 1. And how many the other shape which is not completely colored? How many parts are colored? 1, 2, 3. Out of 4. So you will notice that the denominator for the improper fraction and the mixed number is the same. Okay, these two are equal to each other. These two are equal to each other. So our mixed number is 1 3/4. Okay, now let's go to the third one. So let's count the shaded parts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So again, it's 7. How many parts are there in each shape? 1, 2. So 7 halves. Okay. Now let's count the number of wholes. We have 1, 2, 3. So 3. And the fraction is 1/2. 3 and 1/2. Okay. So that is mixed number. Now let's go to number 4. So how many parts are shaped? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10. How many parts are there in each shape? So 4, 10/4. Now let's write the mixed number. How many wholes are there? We have 1, 2. And what is the fraction? 2 and 2/4. Okay. Same with number 5, number 6, number 7, number 8, number 9, and number 10. Now, let me tell you how to convert mixed number to improper fraction. So let's say I have a mixed number. Let's say I have 3 and 1/2. Okay, so this is a mixed number because it has a whole number and a fraction. So how will I convert this to improper fraction? Okay, so 3 and 1/2. First you're going to multiply 3 times 2. 3 times 2 is how many? 6. And then after you get the product of this, you're going to add 1. 3 times 2 is 6 plus 1 is 7. And then just copy the denominator. 7/2. Okay, 7/2. So 3 and 1/2 is equal to 7/2. Okay, let's have another example. Let's say I have 1 and 4/5. Okay, 1 and 4/5. So first you're going to multiply 1 and 5. 1 times 5 is 5. And then after you get the product, you have to add 4. 1 times 5 is 5 plus 4 equals 9. Okay, and then just copy the denominator, which is 5. Okay, so as easy as that, that is how we convert mixed number to improper fraction. Now let's convert improper fraction to mixed number. Okay, so in converting improper fraction to mixed number, you need to know your division facts, okay? Basic division facts, because we are going to divide numbers here, okay? So let's say I have 13 divided by 2, or 13 over 2. 13 over 2, it means 13 divided by 2. So you have to divide 13 by 2 mentally, or you can use also the column method. So let's put it using the column method. 13 divided by 2. So how many groups of 2 are there in 13? There are 6. Okay, now 6 times 2 is 12. Okay, 13 minus 12 is 1. Okay, so now we got the answer. In writing this as mixed number, you have to get first the quotient. Quotient will be your whole number. And then you have your remainder will be your numerator. And then your denominator is the same as your denominator here, which is 2. Okay, so now you have 6 and 1/2. So we can say that 13 halves is equal to 6 and 1/2. Okay, or you can just do it mentally. 13 divided by 2 is 6. How many is the leftover? There is 1 left over. So, and then just copy the denominator. 6 and 1/2. Okay, is it clear? Okay, let me give you another example. Let's say I have 17 over 3. Okay, 17 thirds or 17 over 3. 17 over 3 means 17 divided by 3. How many groups of 3 are there in 17? We know that there is 5. Okay, because 3 times 5 is 15. Okay, 17 minus 15 is 2. Again, in writing the mixed number, first you need to get the quotient. Quotient is 5. Okay, the remainder will be your numerator and 3 will be your denominator. So 17 over 3 is equal to 5 and 2/3. So this is how we convert improper fraction to mixed number.